it is truly heartbreaking to see a grown man, and a father at that, cry on national television simply because his daughter committed a manner wherein she felt it was the easy way out. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex
and you are
Brosas.
watching the Kitty Show. Tariana Talakeno Showbiz Edition. I am so moved by the episode of Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho, wherein Miss Soho interviewed Kim Atienza,
Mm.
the father of Eman, who unfortunately decided to commit suicide. And then, sabi ni Kuya Kim sa interview, di ba sabi ni Jessica, I do not know how to ask you.
Mm.
Sabi ni Kuya Kim na mas masakit yung, mas masakit pa yung, alam mo, may cancer ka, makakaya mo yung pain. Pero iba raw yung sakit na nawalan ka ng anak sa ganoong pamamaraan. Doon muna, kasi pareho tayong nagkaroon ng mga episode na ang mga kapatid natin ay naunang namatay sa ating mga parents. Tama?
Mm.
So, from my end, when a brother of mine died, kitang-kita ko talaga yung hinagpis ng nanay ko. Kasi ang thinking lagi ng magulang, correct me if I'm wrong, Alex, na dapat mas nauuna silang mag-perish
Mm.
at kunan ni Lord kesa sa mga anak nila, lalo na ako ang dahilan ay because of tragedy or because of natural causes. But nangyari rin sa iyo with your twin. Am I correct?
My twin brother, this I will tell you, he went through the same He did
Episode.
what
What
Eman
Eman did.
did.
Oo.
The reason of which he
Tell
did
you
not
people.
he did not tawag dito,
Divulge.
reveal.
Oo.
It was I was we were 41, my twin brother,
Mhm.
when he did what he did.
Mm.
Naglabas siya ng naglagay
Gumawa ng
nagsulat pa siya naggumawa pa siya ng sulat,
oo.
naghabilin, nag-sorry, ah, humingi ng tawad, and tatlong bagay yung ginawa niya: naghabilin, nag-sorry,
Humingi ng tawad.
humingi ng tawad. Pero he did not reveal why he did what he did.
Oo.
'Di ba? Ako kasi, alam mo naman ako
Oo.
ever
Yeah.
since.
Pero yung question mo na, before you, how did your mother react to the incident?
And then she was crying.
Mhm.
She was the first one who called me up
Mhm.
at 6 in the at 8 in the morning.
Mhm.
Kasi nung anong yun, nung tawag nun, that very day, 6 o'clock na, hindi pa ako makatulog.
Mhm.
And yung cigarette case fell
Mm.
3 times. Nasa lang yun, nasa ganitong table, ganun.
Mhm.
Tapos nung finally at 6:30 yata nakatulog na ako. By 8 o'clock my mother was calling, telling me the bad news.
Mhm.
And then after her, yung hipag ko,
Mm.
the wife of my brother, called up. She was in the in the
Morgue.
scene. No,
Ah, in the
in the
scene.
scene.
Okay.
So sabi niya, Alex, di ba matapang ka? Punta ka dito, chuchu. So she was crying talaga, super Ako talaga, I don't cry.
Mhm.
Nadala ko dun sa sinabi niya
Mhm.
na matapang ka, punta ka dito para makita mo, chuchu. So napaiyak ako. But I really don't cry. Di
Mhm.
ba hindi mo ako palaiyak? Kasi crying is a sign of defeat.
That's for you.
That's for me,
Oo.
'di ba? Laging ganon. When my father died, the first one to die in the family, I did not cry.
Mhm.
When my twin brother died, I did not cry.
Mm.
Except for that kasi
Pro-
nung nasa hindi naman ako umiyak Nung nasa first night na, hindi ako
Mhm.
umiyak. Tapos I saw the pictures kasi sabi nung classmate ko ng the police, si Jojo, sabi niya, Kaya mo bang tingnan 'to? Ang alin yung pictures, oh, hanging pa.
Mm.
Oh, 4 na pictures, tinignan ko.
Okay.
Eto, kaya mo pa ba 'tong tingnan? Tinignan ko yung ano, yung letter. O tinignan ko, that was his
Mm.
writing, Chuchu, oh. When another brother died, hindi rin ako na ano.
Mhm.
And when my pamangkin died at 13 years old, hindi rin ako nag-cry. And when my mother died, hindi rin.
Mhm. So, my brother naman died of cardiac arrest.
Mm.
He was like 35 years old. And I really saw how much pain it caused my mother.
Mm.
And until now, she remembers fondly my brother. And my mother kasi is a drama queen. So
Mm.
talagang pag naaalala niya yung mga taong nauna sa kanya, it makes her eyes misty
Mm.
and she still cries. And I understand where Kuya Kim is coming from.
Mm.
And hindi ko kasi, I have no relations to Eman. And I don't know how much pain
She endured.
she endured to actually decide to finish it all
Mm.
in such a manner. So, ang hirap i-judge nung ginawa niya dahil siya lang naman talaga nakakaalam ng katotohanan niya at nakakaramdam ng ganon. And all we can offer, Kuya Kim, is prayers. Alam ko mahirap tanggapin at alam ko matagal niyang matatanggap ito dahil kitang-kita at damang-dama mo talaga yung sakit na naramdaman niya. And of course, any parent would have to admit na kaya mo siya dinala sa Amerika para maging independent, to live on her own, because yung bang, binigyan mo ng pakpak yung
Mm.
anak mo para lumipad, tapos bubulusok pala pababa.
Mm.
And yung guilt nun sa parent, di ba? That is something na, di ba, may 4 na practice ng grief.
Mm.
Feeling ko dapat yung lahat pagdaanan ni Kuya Kim. Bago niya talaga makita. Kasi ang hirap hanapan ng wisdom ng suicide eh. Di ba? Kasi lahat naman tayo, may kanya-kanya tayong big, small, medium, large problems. And it really takes a person of strength and courage to face it all. Di ba? So, hindi ko talaga naiintindihan, Nadia, kung ano yung trigger point kung bakit may mga taong kailangan gawin yun.
Alam mo,
May paliwanag ka ba dyan?
alam mo ko, when my brother died, akala ko hindi dadalin sa simbahan. Pero
Mhm.
pinasok ng simbahan.
Mhm.
And I was asked to say a few words. I just said, I thought between us two, kasi twin brother ko yun,
Mm-mm.
di ba? I thought I was the strongest.
Mhm.
I was the stronger kind.
Mhm.
But I admit, hindi ako yon.
Mhm.
Ikaw yon.
Mhm.
Because I will never be able to take my life.
Mhm.
Hindi ko kaya yon.
Mm-mm.
Ikaw kinaya mo, in-endure mo.
Mhm.
That I cannot do.
Mhm.
So sabi ko, ikaw ang mas matapang at hindi ako.
Mhm.
Maybe by image matapang ako.
Mhm.
Pero in true to life, ikaw ang mas matapang.
Mhm.
Because I cannot do what you did.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? Kaya nga ako, 'di ba, I've been bashed left and right.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Doon sa mga previous publication ko, 'di ba, parang Diyos ko,
Mm.
yung mga fans, 'di ba, ng mga ng kung
Kung
sino-sino,
sino-sino man.
'di ba, parang may death threats pa ako, ang
Mhm.
dami-dami. 'Di ba, parang pero ako hindi ako afraid, hindi ako
Mm.
ba't ako ma-afraid sa inyo, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Diyos ko, hindi ako nagpapatalo sa ano. Alam mo naman kapag minura ako, dahil
Mm.
ang ganti kong mura, 'di ba?
Oo.
Hindi nila masisigmura,
Mhm.
dahil. 'Di ba? Actually, what I realize is this. We have different coping mechanisms on
Mhm.
our
Mhm. On our paths.
bashers, on
Oo.
our 'di
Pero
ba?
sa buhay, iba-iba
Oo.
talaga coping mechanism
Oo, 'di
natin.
ba? Ngayon, I'm lucky enough na marunong lang akong lumaban.
Mhm.
Marunong akong dumepensa, 'di ba? At hindi ako natatakot sa mga bashers
Mhm.
because I eat bashing every day.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Everyday nung araw may mga bashers ako, hindi nawawala, 'di ba?
Mm.
So I've learned to live with it. 'Di ba? Hindi ako yung parang tapang-tapangan school of acting lang.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Ay, wala akong pakialam sa inyo kahit anong wala akong pakialam sa sasabihin ninyo. Mas maapektuhan kayo sa sasabihin ko sa inyo, which is normally nangyayari.
Mhm.
'Pag sumagot ako sa basher, tumitiklop sila,
Okay. Mhm.
'di ba?
So, again, the Kitty Show sends its condolences and embraces to the family of Kuya Kim Atienza. Kami po ay pinagdadasal na malagpasan niyo ang episode na ito ng inyong buhay and that wherever Eman is, may she go through the light. Maraming salamat po sa panonood sa The Kitty Show. Inaanyayahan po namin kayong subaybayan ng aming palatuntunan tuwing Sabado at Linggo, alas 4 ng hapon. Pwede niyo pong panoorin ang Kitty Show sa Diario Tirada YouTube channel at syempre pa sa aming Facebook page. Ako po si Alvin Ignacio, the Diva That You Love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay, sa panonood, sa pagtutok, at syempre, sa pag-subscribe sa The TT Show. Tarayan at Talakin Showbiz Edition. Happy Sunday po!